Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, easy-to-follow skincare routine that works for all skin types, whether you're a skincare newbie or just looking to refresh your routine. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get into it. Morning skincare routine. Alright, let's start with the morning routine. In the morning, it's all about prepping and protecting your skin for the day ahead. Here's what I do. First step, cleansing. I always use a gentle cleanser to wash away any dirt and oil from overnight. This step is key to starting your day with a clean canvas. If you have oily skin, go for a gel cleanser. For dry skin, a creamy cleanser will keep your skin hydrated. Next up is toner. Toners help balance the pH of your skin and add an extra layer of hydration. I like to apply mine with my hands, gently patting it in for better absorption. You can skip this step if your skin already feels hydrated, but it's a great way to give your skin that extra glow. Here comes the powerhouse, serums. This is where you can really target your skin's needs, whether that's brightening, hydrating, or anti-aging. I love using a hydrating serum in the morning, but if your skin is feeling dull, something with vitamin C works wonders. Moisturizer time. Lock in all that hydration with a good moisturizer. For oily skin, go for something lightweight, like a gel-based formula, and for dry skin, a thicker cream works best. No matter your skin type, keeping your skin hydrated is non-negotiable, and the most important step, sunscreen. Protecting your skin from UV rays is the best way to prevent premature aging and skin damage. Always choose an SPF of at least 30, and don't forget to reapply throughout the day if you're out in the sun. Now let's talk about the evening routine. This is when your skin is in repair mode, so we focus on deep cleansing and hydration. In the evening, cleansing is super important, especially if you wear makeup or sunscreen. I like to use a double cleanse method, first with an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup and sunscreen, followed by a gentle water-based cleanser to clean the skin thoroughly. Exfoliating 2 or 3 times a week helps remove dead skin cells and gives your skin that fresh, smooth texture. But remember, don't overdo it. Be gentle, especially if you have sensitive skin. After cleansing, I like to go in with a toner or an essence. It's a great way to prep your skin for the next steps and boost hydration. If your skin feels dry, this step can make a world of difference. Now comes your treatment or serum. Nighttime is when your skin is working to repair itself, so this is the perfect time to apply treatments like retinol, or something for acne or hyperpigmentation. Just remember, start slow if you're using active ingredients like retinol. Don't forget your eyes. A hydrating eye cream can help reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Plus, the skin around your eyes is super delicate, so treat it gently. At night, I like to use a richer moisturizer or night cream to really lock in moisture while I sleep. This is especially important if you live in a dry climate or if your skin tends to feel dry by morning. For an extra boost of hydration, I sometimes add a few drops of face oil. It seals everything in and gives me that soft, dewy skin by morning, and that's it. A simple but effective morning and evening skincare routine to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. And above all, stay consistent. Your skin will thank you. Got any favorite skincare tips? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you next time.